Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We're ready to go. 70 degrees outside. Actually nice outside today. If you're not outside, go outside because it is looking good. We got Dark Bro first in the chat. Caesar, PS5, Caesar, Dark Bro, Tim, Dark Bro, Caesar, Dark Bro, Tim, DD214, Pika Power. We got Tim, Dark Bro, Pika Power, Ro. Hey, what's going on, Caroline, Tim, Pika Power, all of you guys. Thank you very much for being in here. Let's see how the market's doing right now. We've got AMC in the top left getting hit pretty hard today, down 2.23%. Coming down slightly throughout the afternoon here. Shiba Inu coin sitting dead sideways at the moment. Just want to make sure we're big weeble before I go on some sort of a rampage here. GameStop sitting down 1.44%, and Terra Luna Classic nice and steady, doing absolutely nothing throughout the afternoon. Sitting down 2.78% at the moment, 28,000 points per coin. Overall market getting hit pretty hard today. Sitting at 11,079, down 0.62%. It's indicated by the NASDAQ. BR Therapeutics. See, we got Braille on the screen right now, sitting down 5.39%. Ethereum and Shiba and Bitcoin all right around break even. Nothing phenomenal in either direction. Sundial. Okay. What was the news release on Sundial here? We're going to have to look at that in 2 seconds. 24% gains there. We got to go check this out in a minute. Mullen Auto down 4%. CEI down 3%. The SPY down a whole percent right now. Wow. BBIG barcoding today. Highcroft Mining doing absolutely nothing. Highcroft Mining, terrible day today. Netflix up 1%. QQQ down 0.80%. And Ape losing. My gosh. Ape selling off into the close here. Ape is sitting at 226, down almost 8% on the day. Yikes. Let's see what Sundial is got in terms of news. Why does it always fail there? Why cannabis stocks are popping off today? Dude, just tell me what they said. Biden debarred all federal offenses of simple marijuana possession. Look, I know a lot of you guys, there's 14 of you out. I don't know the actual statistics on how many of you use the what do you guys call it? Satan's grass or something? I don't know how many of you guys use Satan's grass. I do not particularly believe that it is a good substance to have. If you do, however, I mean, come on, man, don't be breaking the law. But apparently, Biden's saying that it is no longer against the law. Apparently, we're going to be pardoning everybody who is in prison because of possession charges. It's going to be a lot of people. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not going to get into a discussion about it because I really don't care either way. But you want some votes, man. Now's the time to get them. Midterm elections are right here. Now's the time to get those votes. So if you're in Sundial, you're making some money right now, up 25% on news that apparently no one should be in jail for committing illegal activity. Even if it was illegal when you committed it, now you're going to be out of jail for doing that. So, Ape, my gosh, dude, Ape is still getting destroyed here. Nonetheless, that's why we got Sundial throwing up 24 to 25% gains right now, going back up to $2.81 here. Boom, really moving higher. Whatever. I know a lot of you guys like it. I don't like it. Either way, man. Good deal. I like the money part. So if you're in Sundial, that's what I like. I like to see green lines like that going up. Let's see here. Well, Tim, nothing wrong with apparently being high AF now because it's apparently not illegal anymore. Satan's grass is whack. Stay in school, become a bro if you are truly, dang it, man. If I run for president in 2024, which I will be able to, because I will be 35, Pika is running my campaign. Look at that slogan right there. If that doesn't just sum it up, man, I don't know what does. Satan's grass is whack. Stay in school, become a bro if you are truly cool. Yeah, she is definitely running my campaign. If we run in 2024, we might actually get like a 0.5% of the votes out there. So Pika is in, absolutely loving it right now. What's up? Lunatic, what's going on, OG Lunatic? How you doing today? Tilray flying high too. Bronson, you guys with your puns, man. Yeah, you guys with your puns. You're doing good on that one. Tilray, how much is Tilray moving up by? I should have Tilray out here on this watch list. Where's it at? I do not see it out here. 30% gains in Tilray right now. Very nice. 30% gains in Tilray, erasing basically all of the losses since May. So not a bad gain for Tilray right there. Hopefully, if you guys are in it, man, you can see it run all the way back up to this area at $5 a share there. So very nice for anybody in the cannabis sector today. Army Vet Bro, we are on set. Hold on, we are on set with Clay Bro. Hold on. Yes, we are on set with Clay Bro here. If you guys want a little look around, we've got the set action going on. Going into the multiverse right there. We've got all of these beautiful things here. The Discord, if you guys are not in the Discord, look, you guys know what this is. Let me show you. Let me show you how amazing Pika power is. Hold on. Oh. Yes, man. I'm like afraid to hold this thing. Pika power, absolutely incredible, man. Keep that thing by my side at all times. Pika, thank you. OG Lunatic, what's going on? 1-1 Bronson. Tilray has earnings tomorrow too, so that can drop fast. Oh, darn, man. Earnings could be a bad thing, especially if they have not been earning anything. I know anytime Sundial has earnings, it's bad news because Sundial never earns anything. Clay, what's up, everyone? Sorry, I haven't showed up in a while. I was working a lot. Joe's Grants, man. That is okay. You are back now, my friend. So it is acceptable that you did not show up. Oh, Purdy, Moji, the most beautiful thing I own. Nice card. Can we get a comp value on that? Yes, we can. Priceless. Priceless. Let me say this. I would never, I'm being completely honest with you, I would never sell this card for, like, retail value, okay? Even if the retail value goes up to 100 grand or something, never selling this card for retail value. However, if there's some idiot out there right now that wants to pay me like $1 million or something for it, Pika, you and I, we got that one, all right? I mean, you and I, you got to be on board with that, and I will definitely make sure you get the hookup on that. But no, retail, I can send it back to Pika. She can sign it, and then we can make that deal happen for like a cool milli. But otherwise, back up, guys. Not getting it. Not getting it. Let's see. What if you have to insure it, bro? Nah, man. Insurance is a scam. Gosh, dude. Insurance is a scam anyway, Auto, bro. It's a scam. Priceless. Best answer ever, Clay, bro. Smooth, baby. No, for real, though. I do have a price on it. I mean, I think that Pika would say, yes, you idiot. Sell that card for $1 million right now, and then you and I can go on some exotic vacation or something. And I'd be like, okay, let's sell it, Pika. Let's go buy a house in the Maldives. Otherwise, no, dude, you guys are tripping if you think you're gonna get that card. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super chat. He says, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? I'm gonna tell you a lot of wood. A woodchuck would chuck a lot of wood if a woodchuck could chuck wood, Rozzy. A woodchuck would chuck a lot of wood if a woodchuck could chuck wood. That's how much wood a woodchuck would chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Good luck, dude. My wood game is tight. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that one. It's a lot easier than Peter Piper and his pack of pickled peppers, man. Facts. I only have one question. When Moonshot Baby LUNC $1 bros for life bull run gonna get rich or die trying? Dude, that's hard to read, man. That's hard to read. Wow, smooth. That was really smooth. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you right now, my woodchuck game is tight. You ain't getting on my woodchuck game. Donnell is back. Donnell, so glad to have you back in here. John Pringle, what's going on, John Pringle? John Pringle dropping bombs in the Discord, bringing us some insight. Loving that, John. We got downloaded Shiba Eternity, but haven't played it yet. I just reviewed it 5 stars. Left a positive review for the benefit of the community. Yeah, John Pringle. So, man, I have not reviewed it yet. I did actually open it. And then I didn't play it because I didn't want to set up everything and begin playing. But I did see the vast majority. So it has 4.9 star reviews right now out of like 1,300 reviews on the Google Play Store. And over 10,000 downloads on the Google Play Store. And the vast majority of the reviews were extremely positive. Some people, and I don't know if it's because of their phones, their internet, or whatever, but some people saying that they lag out and things like that, which, I mean, is gonna happen, especially if their Wi-Fi is not as good if you're playing these multiplayer games. So very, very cool to see that it's getting a lot of positive feedback so far. I'll trade my best PSA 10 Michael Jordan card for that. Look, dude, I have no idea what a best PSA 10 Michael Jordan card is worth. But I am being honest with you guys. No, man. Like, the fact that PK gave that to me, I wouldn't even trade you a PSA 10 for... I wouldn't even trade you a PSA 10 for, like, this. Okay? I wouldn't even trade you a PSA 10 for this. This is a gift. This is a gift from Pika. No. Can't happen, man. Can't happen. I'm just like that. You know what I'm like? I'm like, Rozzy! Thank you for the... Oh my goodness, look at that. That's a clean peach. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super chat. That is a clean peach, guys. I don't know if you're going to get it that clean for a while. This is for D's. D's, man, that was for you. What Shiba price to October? Beauty, hair, and nails. Well, it is October. So the current price, but I'm hoping that the price gains a little traction. I'm hoping that people start to get a little bit more optimistic about the market. If they don't, I'm still calling down in the short term. So what I'm looking at to make a better decision on that is what the inflation rate comes in at on October 13th. Pudgy! Don't forget tomorrow afternoon's live stream. This dude says 2 to 3 hours of overtime. God, how is it Friday already? I will say this, Pudgy. I will say this. If you were legitimately serious about keeping me here 2 or 3 hours, I am going to have to spend the afternoon recording videos. This, dude, you are making me sweat already, man. If that's like something you guys are actually going to do, I'm going to have to make sure that I record those videos in the afternoon. I cannot be here. I can't be here 2 hours overtime if I don't have those videos recorded. I can't. I absolutely need to make sure that I get those videos out on time. Moji, didn't even see it come in. Did you finally find the back door? Yes. What's PSA 10 Jordan card worth? No idea, man. Let's see. Something. Hi. I was knocking on the door for 10 minutes. Moji, glad to have you in here now, though. Depends on year and limited. It didn't know the password was Pika. It's always Pika. Claybro OnlyFans. Claybro OnlyFans. Double hashtag for Claybro OnlyFans. You know the deal, man. You know the deal. I don't even have any shame in saying, man, we get to 1 mil by the end of the year. Claybro OnlyFans becomes reality. Go, Pudgy, giving Clay a heads up. Nice. I mean, that is polite. That is polite, because I would be a little, I would be thrown off if I didn't have those videos done and had, I guess worst case scenario, if you guys were keeping me that long, I would record the videos right here in this setup, just live, hit record on Streamlabs here, and then just post the videos there. For all of the non-believers that don't think I one-shot the videos with no edits, and first take, you guys will get a little taste of reality. Let's put it that way. So the race is on. Who's going to the top first, Shiba or LUNC, or is it SafeMoon going to pass them both with their blockchain and all they're putting on the table? Kenneth, that would be wild if SafeMoon did. How much will still go down? So Juju B, it all depends on whether or not the hype subsides and it begins to follow the overall crypto market. If that happens, October 13th is going to be a very important day. Okay, Razi! AMC signed a deal with Netflix. I have not seen that SFV. That would be, is that good or bad? Is that like signing a deal with the devil, or is that a good thing? Razi, man, you take the salt shaker, you pour the salt shaker out on the table, and because it's good luck, you throw it over your shoulder, and because salt tastes so good, you just gotta, but every time, it gets in your eye. Thank you very much for the salt shaker, Razi. Really appreciate that, man. With all due respect, sir, please, no. Life with Saba, thank you very much. Love your energy and love the fact that you're in here as well. Positive energy breeds positive energy, man. Loving it. Caesar, you can't stop the stops, man. You can't stop the stops. And if the people speak and say 1 mil by the end of the year, yeah, Claybro OnlyFans, hashtag all the way. Okay, new idea. We need a news broadcast just titled Claybro OnlyFans. It's true. You know what I could do? I could hashtag like Claybro OnlyFans and then OnlyFans on here. It's like a members only chat, a fans only chat on here. Really no different than any other live stream, but people will be like, oh my God. Claybro has an OnlyFans? Oh. But literally it's just for, members on here. You just call them fans instead of members or whatever, and then Claybro OnlyFans. Yeah, it's true. It's just the live stream on here, but it's OnlyFans. Let's see. Clay, will you be in costume for the Halloween stream? The question is, can I dress as a king, or do I need to be in an actual costume? Because if I can dress as a king, then yes, I will very likely be in costume. If I have to dress in my Spider-Man costume, I don't know if we will be doing a live stream like that or not. It is extremely hot. Claybro, whatever happened to the basic trading videos you were doing? My daughter was watching and asked. So Tim, if you're talking about the options videos I did, like the basic options videos, when I had the C word, I made a really dumb mistake. So my phone ran out of space, and I had recorded a bunch of them, right? I recorded a bunch of them and had them. I did not have them all scheduled. I just had them in my phone. And deleted all of the remaining videos I had. And I have not had time to redo them or anything. So, like, the fact that I wasn't thinking straight combined with the fact that I never really pre-record videos was my demise in that situation. Because I straight up deleted all of them before they could be uploaded, which I know was a huge mistake. No, we want the real thing. Rozzy, I'm telling you, 1 mil. You got the real thing. Stay off of Foot Finder, Clay. Oh, God. Why, man? Why, Kenneth? Now I'm going to get on Foot Finder. We should do a real deal Foot Finder. If you guys can find me on Foot Finder by my feet, you win, like, free bro shirt for life. Every year you get a free bro shirt for the rest of your life. Sign a contract and everything. You guys can find me by my feet. Yep, that's what Foot Finder is about, right? Finding somebody based on their foot. Gotta be. Let's see, actual costume. Well, Danelle, I will definitely consider it. There aren't enough hours in your day. Moji, I was just telling my brother and friend the other day, man, do you guys know how to find any more hours in the day? They both answered no. I need more hours, man. I need more hours. Dress as Jimmy Neutron, please. You can totally pull it off. Just ask Pika. How do I pull it off, though? What is Jimmy Neutron's outfit? Okay. So I just got to get myself literally nothing different. Just an orange shirt. And I can print that little atom. If I can't find that shirt somewhere. I can just buy an orange shirt and print that little atom in yellow on the cricket and make that shirt. Well, that's legit what I already look like. Dudes even get the same hairline as me when you stick it up, like when you stick his hair straight up like that. Ah, yeah, man. If I just wore an orange shirt, that's exactly what I would look like. Yeah. Like, game on, man. There's literally no difference there. Dudes get the same hairline. He's all, like, just do the unicorn, but with all my hair. We're solid. That shirt's actually really easy to make, too. I don't have any orange shirts, but I could get one for, like, $3. Ah, man. Nah, I don't know. Exactly. Blue contacts. I'm not getting contacts. You guys could just pretend that I got blue eyes. I could do a filter. I'll use a blue eye filter, not a contact. I'll use a filter. Let's see. Chippendale, Chip, bro. All right, guys, I'm going to go to audio. I got to put the little ones to sleep. Dark, bro, man. Nap time. Must be nap time. They're not going to bed. No way they're going to bed. Let's see here. Jetpack. I need a jetpack, too. Now you guys are making this costume extremely complicated. Clay, Jennifer. What's going on, Jennifer? How you doing? What? Luna Solara coining something? Jen, you asking me a question? You asking somebody else a question? Yes, I saw it today. Something. You already have neon light for the lab in the background. SFV, absolutely, man. Let's see. I saw about Ceto Exchange, yes, before, but no idea about the burn plan. I do not know about their burn plan either. I just know that they have listed Terra Luna Classic. Is that true? I didn't see the question, Jen. Okay, so I haven't seen it yet. Ceto Exchange launching LUNC plans October 10th. I think that could be true. I haven't seen it yet. And then CoinIn posting their burn plan. I haven't seen that yet, but CoinIn's they've been in the game for quite some time. So they're not a large exchange by any means. I don't think that's going to have a massive effect, but it could be a great addition to the current burns that we've got going on. I know CoinIn's been in the game for a while, so they probably are going to be doing some sort of burns here. One of you new Syria friend found the YouTube channel, Army Vet Bro. So yes, he did pull my YouTube channel up while I was doing that battle with him. So hopefully, I don't know if he's in here right now. I don't think that he spoke very good English, so I don't know if he would realize we're talking and asking if he's in here right now or not, but he did pull the YouTube channel up on the stream there, so that dude was a nice guy, man. Oh, I love America. I love you, Clay. I love you, Clay. Yeah, love you too, man. Glad nice guy, dude. You're a nice guy. Everybody understands the thumbs up, and everybody understands bye. Like, you can communicate with anybody if you just, I guess, take it slow. It's on there at Twitter. Luna Solara, definitely check it out, man. A game is kind of fun. Drop you guys' name and let's play. There you go, dude. Ceto Exchange, CoinIn, Booze, 765, number 3657. Yeah, listen, if you guys are playing that game, if you're playing the Shiba Inu coin game and you want to drop your names in here or in the Discord, make sure to do so. I've downloaded the game. I haven't made my account or anything like that yet. I haven't played it, but absolutely. Kalani, I don't know if YouTube lets it go. I really don't know if YouTube lets. You can post it if you want, but I really don't know if YouTube lets links go. I think they block all links from coming through. So you can try it if you want, man, but I don't know if they'll let it come through. Yeah, he was nice. Yeah, dude, and that's the cool part, man. Dude calls up, he doesn't speak any English, right? But what are you gonna do? You'd be good. Luna Solara, thank you very much for the fist. Boom. Fist. Boom. Fist. Boom. Fist bump. Luna Solara, thank you very much for the fist bump. Really appreciate that. Please update about LUNC for 24 hours. You mean you want to know what happened over the last 24 hours? Or you want me to go on like a 24-hour live stream talking about Terra Luna Classic? I can't go for 24 hours. Hi, I'm back. What's going on, Ro? Glad to have you back. Kalani, how do you change Shiboshis? Good question. Try it in a super chat, Kalani. Could work, but I don't want him to get, I don't want him to waste a super chat or something if it doesn't go through. I'm still up in India playing Shiba Eternity. You're the best, buddy, anyway. Oh my gosh, man. Muiva, thank you very much, and you're the best. Still up playing that game, man. You must be loving that game right now. Let's see if we got this. I want to see this Twitter account. Yeah. Yeah, so I haven't fully read through their plan here, but C2 Exchange does seem to have a burn mechanism on trading on-chain and off-chain burns. So I don't know if they're going to be burning all of their trading fees or what, but they will be adding to the burns on their transactions. So even off-chain burns are going to be going on C2 Exchange. I did not see anything on CoinIn, but I do see that they will be adding an off-chain burn mechanism, which is great, man. That's going to be in addition to what Binance is burning every week. That is going to be a solid move. Michael, not Matthew. Thank you very much, Michael, the most consistent player in the game. He is back, baby. Boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, bump, baby. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that fist bump. You guys are killing it today, man. Yes. He took a vacay this year. Not know who we're talking about. Oh, yeah. Do you ever go on vacation? Old rounder. What do you mean by vacation? Do I ever go, do I ever leave the house? Do I ever go anywhere? Do I ever stop posting? No, I haven't stopped posting. I've posted every single day for since January 1st, 2021. Why stop now, man? Why stop now? Dude, if I could post 3 times a day through the C word, yeah, man, we're never gonna not post. Let's see. Is Shiba Inu a good investment for me to go in right now, or should I wait? Triggs. Let me put it this way. I do believe that Shiba Inu coin will go lower, but I absolutely believe that Shiba Inu coin will go higher than the current price. So it all depends on when you want to enter and your mentality on investing. So Shiba Inu coin is following the overall cryptocurrency market perfectly right now. And because of that, I believe Bitcoin is going to fall. I don't think that we're going to see great inflation numbers on October 13th. And I think that the world economy still has tough times ahead of it. And because of that, I believe that the cryptocurrency market has tough times ahead of it. So I think you can get better prices if you're looking for a perfect price. However, I will not be able to time the bottom perfectly. You will not be able to time the bottom perfectly. Nobody will be able to time the bottom perfectly. You can get lucky. You can have an idea of when the sentiment is shifting, but it is not guaranteed. So knowing that, man, don't look for the perfect entry. Just look to enter. So yes, I do think that it's a good time, but I do think that you could get a better time. Let's see. Tim's in your main screen where it shows your options to the left, Shiboshi in the middle, and the deck. Tap the deck to the right of your Shiboshi on the main screen, and that will allow you to choose your social Boshi or your Shiboshi, which has a specific deck. Decks and the cards within the deck are specifically limited to that Shiboshi. I have yet to find out how or if I can take cards that I've acquired and transfer them from one deck to Shiboshi or another. Dang, man. Can you play all 10,000 Shiboshis? Can you play every single Shiboshi that there is? Or is it limited? John Pringle, your Discord is an awesome guy. Yeah, Congress is, man. I know. John Pringle's a good dude. John Pringle, I don't know if he's still in the chat or not, but he's been active in the Discord recently, and he's a good guy. I agree. How's LUNC? Fluffy. LUNC's okay right now. Extremely stagnant over the last couple of days. So if you're looking at it on an hourly chart, really kind of just been trending slightly lower, but this is really what it looks like here. Very, very subdued action. You got to pull it out to see anything, but this is basically what we've been doing. Sideways action since the burn. We burned on Monday, and people were excited about it for a minute, and we've kind of been slowing down since then. So sideways action is better than downward action, but nonetheless, it hasn't been super exciting for a few days in Terra Luna Classic here. And then this is just weird. This is just weird price action on Terra Luna Classic, the way that it's just bouncing around like that. But nonetheless, continuing to innovate the overall blockchain there. I need a Claybro 8-ball. Me too, man. You want to ask this 8-ball a question? You can absolutely ask this 8-ball a question. Binance going to drop LUNC. What do you mean, Rybread? What do you mean by drop it? Stop trading it? Or drop the price of it? Or what? So, what does this game do? Do you get Shiba coins? No, Bronson. So you don't win any Shiba Inu coins. It's not a play to earn game. It's not a play to burn game or anything like that. The blockchain version of the game, which will be coming out when Shibarium comes out, that's a play to earn game. And you won't earn Shiba there. Of course not, right? Because they want to give you a coin that they can just mint infinity of. You will be earning Treat on that game. So the blockchain version of the game, which has not yet been released, you will earn Treat. Or I think they said something wild, like Kibble or something. I don't even know. But that game will be play to earn. This game, the point of it is literally it is just a game. If you're into playing games, it's just a game. It benefits the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem because the money that they raise on the game, 45% is going to be reinvested into new Shiba Inu coin projects. 5% of the profit is going to burn Shiba Inu coin, and the other 50 is going in their pockets. Clearbro, check out AMD. What's AMD doing today? They're making way too much money on it on the Shiba Inu coin game. Is that what you're saying? I don't know how much money they're going to make on it, man. Look, dude, if Playside Studios, a top graphics designer company, makes some few millions of dollars, I think that's okay. What was I going to look at? Oh, AMD. AMD has been getting hit hard recently. Okay, so let me talk to this for a minute here. And because AMD has been performing just wildly successful since like 2017. Let's go back, 2016 even. Not much action in AMD from like this decade here. $23 actually. $24 in 2006. And sat at $1 and so on for a very long time. Cryptocurrency mining begins to take over. 2016, 17, 18, and so on. You need graphics cards. AMD makes graphics cards. $1.60 to $160. A 100x gain in a 5-year period. Not because of the stock market, because of crypto. A 100x gain. Now, graphics cards are still great, but they're suffering a very large blow because Ethereum is moving from proof of work, which means you use the graphics cards to mine it, to proof of stake. So if you're looking to get AMD at a major discount, I do not know if it will recover to those all-time highs, because it's certainly not going to have the same demand if people aren't going out and massively buying up graphics cards. If there's a new coin that comes along that is proof of work and creates huge demand, then I think that yes, you could see even larger gains than the 165. But AMD being as low as it is right now, if you're thinking you're going to go in there and double or almost triple your money, be a little skeptical that the demand may not return for graphics cards the same way we've seen in the past because of cryptocurrency mining and because of Ethereum mining. Treat, this is new to me. How many coins are associated with Shiba right now? This sounds more like Gala Games playing Town Star to earn Town Coin, to spend Ethereum, to swap for Gala, to spend Ethereum. Hey, I don't even know about Gala coins, but that's exactly what it's like, Bronson. That's exactly what it's like. Yeah, dude, so Treat is basically their new Bone, okay? Treat is they can't print any more Bone because the community voted against printing more Bone. So unless they vote again to mint new Bone, they're stuck at 250 million, I believe. Treat, they can print as much Treat as they want right now. So it's their other coin that they can just continue to mint and print until people either decide to bring it value or not bring it value. It has not been released yet. So if you're looking to go buy Treat, it's not been released yet. You're going to get a fake Treat and you're probably going to get scammed. And then I believe the other coin, so there is another one. I think it's Shi, S-H-I coin. And Shi coin is going to be pegged, I believe, at a penny. So they've got at least 2 more that they're making. At least 2 more, man. Let's see. Yes, the best adult site is back. Please tell me more. No toast. Let us know. Let us know. Let us know. I was really hoping an upward price action from Shib the game soon, I guess. Yeah, Kalani. I don't think we're going to get it with 10,000 downloads. I think we need to get more downloads before we see some price action there. Am I the only one who noticed? There's like 4 other Shiba Eternity games that were released at the exact same time. Tim, no, I actually went to download it, dude, and there were a lot of Shiba Eternity Pro, Shiba Eternity this and that. I just clicked the link directly from Shiba Inu Coin's Twitter account. So that's the way that I went about it. And I think you can tell the difference in the games, but 10,000 downloads on, well, it might be more than that right now, but 10,000 downloads when I saw it this morning. Let's see. Congress, thanks for your comment. Appreciate it. John Pringle, the man, dude. Clicky that likey button. Listen to Danelle. Guys, how many likes do we have? I want to point this out, okay? There's 90 people in here right now. When Terra Luna Classic's on fire, you got 400 or 500 people. We know that there's hype and excitement, and we know there's quality people who are going to be here and hang out and enjoy the live stream and have fun no matter what the market's doing. That's you guys. So please click the like button and don't be afraid to let YouTube know that you appreciate the fact that it doesn't matter if we're running up or running down. We are here every single day. And although we might not be doing it right this second, we are growing our portfolios together. The fake Treat, it tastes like chicken. Ew, dude, could you imagine having like an actual cookie or something that tasted like chicken? Gala is a legit project. Gala Gaming is doing big things, and I'm not even a gamer. Hashtag no shill. I'm not even a gamer either, man, but that sounds like it would be sweet. Let's see. LUNC explosion soon. Kraken, I absolutely hope so, man. The wifey knew about Bone before me. It turned into Treat. Once she got with me. Oh, God, this dude, man. I don't even know why I read some of these comments. Oh, Bronson, I'm not a handsome man. You gotta have something going for me. Sense of humor. Sense of humor. Do it every time. Oh, boy. I only see one on my iPhone. Hey, Kalani, maybe iPhone does a better job of protecting the apps from being released and stuff like that. So, nonetheless, dude, the Google Play Store, they had a few of them this morning when I looked. I don't know if people were flagging them or not, but they definitely had a few when I looked this morning. Let's see right now. Not too much going on after hours. How's Sundial doing? Sitting flat after hours. Not bad at all. This is just crazy to see a 25% gain in the market that we're in right now. Phenomenal for anybody that's in Sundial. Nonetheless, guys, AMC, pretty rough day today, but sitting flat after hours. Shiba Inu coin, no action at all today. GameStop, basically sitting flat after hours here. NASDAQ obviously closed down. Let's see what the QQQ's doing in a second here. Pure Therapeutics, basically Braille. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin not moving at all right now. Just basically chugging along. Sundial down 1% after hours. Molinado, CEI doing nothing. The SPY down slightly after hours. BBIG up 2%. Highcroft Mining, wow, man, what a dreary day for Highcroft Mining. Stock didn't move at all today. Look at this. Wow. Highcroft Mining getting no action today. Netflix sitting up 0.25% after hours right now. Not too much going on with it today. A little 3% gain. QQQ down slightly after hours here, down 0.20%. That is a big move for an index. AMC Ape up about 1% after hours after losing almost 9 on the day today. Terra Luna Classic, like we've been seeing, is sitting basically pretty still here, throwing some weird candles on the chart as investors are really, I guess, just awaiting the next catalyst in Terra Luna Classic. What are your thoughts on Kadena? So, Ramadan's Camaro. I actually don't know anything about Kadena, so I have no thoughts on it, unfortunately. What is the Bitcoin price chart? Triggs, we talking about right here, the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is down here in the bottom left right now, and this is a 1-minute chart. So, it's been a little volatile, yes, but this range isn't that great. So, it's 19.9 to 20,100. Basically $150, $200 range that you're seeing on the graph right here. I mean, it should more or less look like this. Very, very, very tight channel that it's trading in on a 1-minute chart. The hourly chart shows that we've bounced off this level of support a few times, but we're getting caught up in this $20,000 level of resistance. So if we can break up, we'll test 21,000. If we break back down, we're coming back down to retest 19,000. So interesting to see us just floating right around this $20,000 line. I think we might come back down and test 19 again. If we do, it's going to make me nervous. I'm not going to get too excited if we come up and test these higher levels. But every time we test these lower levels, man, it's going to make me nervous because a breakthrough on a chart like that could absolutely lead to a very quick drop down into this area. Right in here, $10,000, $12,000. And that would be very hard for the crypto community to swallow because it's going to lead to some steep losses in a lot of other cryptocurrencies as well, not just Bitcoin, if it ends up falling through that level there. Get back to Terra Luna Classic on the chart right now. Yes. Let's see. You got $280 puts on QQQ for tomorrow. Did it drop below? Yes, so the QQQ closed at 279.76, and the QQQ is currently trading at 279.03. So you're a dollar solid right now, man. After hours, hopefully for you, you wake up tomorrow and you're sitting at like $277 or $277 or something, because you're gonna be liking that price action. But yeah, right now you're at 279, almost flat. It's 279.08 at the moment, which is not bad at all. Let's see. Okay, the next makes more sense now. Triggs, gotcha, man. Clever opinion. Favorite covered call ETF with monthly dividend. Oh gosh, man. I don't have a favorite covered call ETF that pays monthly dividends. What's yours, Frank? I honestly don't have a favorite covered call that would pay monthly dividends there. What is your favorite out of those? Family emergency, gotta go. Claybro, fam, be good, be safe. Tim, absolutely, man. Enjoy your evening, but I hope everything's going okay, man. I hope nothing too serious going on there. Enjoy your evening, man. Let's see. And never worry about leaving for a family emergency, dude. We're family, too. We will definitely be here when you get back. Bro, Shiba Eternity launched worldwide today, but still no change in price. So what's going on? So viral materials. The launch of the Shiba Inu coin game doesn't necessarily have a direct impact on Shiba Inu coin until the players of Shiba Eternity become Shiba Inu coin holders. So what you're seeing right now with the 10, 20,000 people that have downloaded Shiba Eternity is those are people that already own Shiba Inu coin. Those are people that already follow the Shiba Inu coin Twitter, already know and hold and like Shiba Inu coin and want to see it do well. Until we start to see millions of people download that game and decide to get into Shiba Inu coin, then, we can see a correlation in the price action. But it is going to take time before we get that. It doesn't seem like we're going to get millions of downloads on the first day, that everybody's going to go out there and tell everybody to download it and, spread like wildfire or anything. So I was kind of hoping for a little bit better action there, but it's still decent. It's still decent for the first day of an app. Let me see if I can see numbers. All right, so there's still I don't know when this number updates here. So, easy ride. Thank you very much for the super chat. Are you doing the sticker drawing now? Easy ride. I am not doing the sticker drawing right now, but you are definitely going to get stickers, man. You are definitely going to get stickers. So you don't have to worry about not getting stickers, dude. You are definitely going to get stickers, easy ride. I just have to make sure that I print the stickers so that I can actually mail them out. But thank you, dude, very much for the super chat. Let's look at the Shiba Inu coin game here. This is the Play Store, all right? We've got 4.9 star reviews with over 1,400 reviews so far. Last time I looked at it, it was 1,300 reviews. So we've already got 100 plus people reviewing it. I don't know how many downloads we have. 10,000 is nice. But dude, could you imagine if we got this to 100,000 downloads? That would be sick if we could get it to 100,000 downloads first day. But that's on the Google Play Store. I don't know if I can see the Apple App Store or not. Do they show you how many downloads in the Apple App Store? Mild cartoon or fantasy violence. What is that? Just hitting somebody? Jeez. So it doesn't seem like Apple shows you how many downloads it has. I'm not an Apple dude, so I could be wrong. What are you able to buy in here? Dang, dude, you can get a master bundle for $80. Dude, who the heck wants to buy demonic power? That sounds... They probably should have named that something else. My goodness. That sounds kind of creepy, dude. Why would they just not name that something else? Who wants demonic power in your Shiba Inu coin game? The heck is this, man? Anyway, this is the one in the Apple App Store. This is the one in the Google Play Store here. 10,000 plus downloads. Looking good so far. We got to figure out if the goodness continues. Danelle, grabbing that green name. Loving it, Danelle. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. She's got the Rainbow Ape, guys. Welcome back, Danelle. Absolutely loving it right now. Thank you very much for grabbing that Rainbow Ape. Yes, man. Danelle. Guys, 88 people in here. 88 true bros. Throw Danelle a very warm welcome back. Chat 69 XYZ. Peace out to you. The mods are killing it today. Mods, thank you very much for getting rid of Chat 69 XYZ. They all pay about 1% monthly, but the share price stability of RYLD against the Russell 2000 makes it enticing to me. Just want some stock talk. Yeah, Frank, I got you, dude. And look, 1% stock, 1% on a monthly basis, guys. That's amazing, okay? 1% monthly dividend is not bad at all. If you guys are... You've got a choice. You can only focus on the sexy 1000x gems that you expect to go up and make millions of dollars on, or you can guarantee your future by investing in the slow, the steady, and the proven. Now, here's my idea, okay? And yeah, I do have a 401k. I've got the boring account, and I'm not gonna lie to you. I know my 401k. And it's not self-managed, okay? My 401k it's in mutual funds. So it is managed. And I haven't looked at it dude, I probably haven't looked at it since January or February of 2021. I don't even care. I don't even, like, it's something you set aside and it's going to be there. And when you invest in something that is just tried and true and proven, I know it's down right now because my brother complains about his being down and my friend complains about his being down and stuff like that. I know it's down right now, but it's gonna be okay. It's absolutely gonna be okay. The boring, I don't need to look at it every day stuff it's a staple. And a 1% monthly dividend is a solid gain. So, yeah, Frank, man, absolutely loving that. And then the enticing, ooh, man, I can double, triple, quintuple my money in options talk. Options are great too, but you can make a lot of money or lose a lot of money in options because they are a leveraged position. And then cryptocurrency, dude, crypto just never sleeps. There's always something new, always something going on. And crypto's exciting as well. Let's see. Play the video. The video for the trailer on the Shiba Inu coin game. I think I can play that. I don't know if that's going to get me in trouble for anything copyright. I hope so, Moji. I hope so. Let's see. You got my green name back. My old card expired and lost it. Yeah, but it's still right back where you left it, Danelle. You got that Rainbow Ape. I hope, yeah, Moji, man, I hope that I can just leave the printer go this weekend and print and then put more vinyl in it and print and put more vinyl in it and put more vinyl in it. So I hope that I can make a ton of stickers this weekend. Adrian! Thank you very much for the super chat. Why is it that in your videos you are saying something and then you sort of mid-sentence remember you must say, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. It's funny. I don't know if I do it mid-sentence or not, man, but... So I started doing that at the beginning of 2021. I don't even know if I did that in the first few videos that I posted. But then I started to do it, okay? And I wanted a transition from me kind of giving you a 30-second to 1-minute summary of what's going on, what we're going to be talking about in a little bit more detail, and then kind of like a segue into actually talking about it. And I started doing it, and then I just have never stopped. So, yes, dude. We're going to be talking about Shiba Inu coin in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Yeah, and then, once you do it enough, I mean, it kind of just becomes your thing, dude. Some of my friends, they were cracking on me. Oh, it's been a long time now. But they said, and I don't game or anything, right? But they jump in those, they play games together, Call of Duty and stuff like that. They were saying, dude, it's hilarious, man. We're getting ready to jump in the game and we're waiting for it to load or whatever. And these kids will be like, yes, something, if winning this game sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. And if you say it enough, man, people jump on it. So now I can't not say it because it's just what I got to do. So it's my segue, and I guess it's just stuck now. So hopefully it sounds like something you're interested in. Do you have any price targets for the bottom on any stock indices? Old rounder, maybe. So here's what I'm looking at. If you think that the stock market, yeah, I think I got it on the QQQ here. If you think that we're going to see times as bad as 2020 lows, okay? So we're right in this area on this purple line right now. Slightly above the purple line. If we fall through, we've got some support down here at 262. In my belief, I think we fall through that. I do. I think inflation could be a very strong catalyst to the downside. In, gosh, what is it? In 7 days, man, in a week. So we get inflation coming out in a week from now. And if it's rising, if it's above 8.5%, hopefully the market's not an idiot. That's bad news. And I don't want to say hopefully the market goes down, but hopefully it acts correctly. I will warn you guys here in a second. But if it does, and it starts to fall down, I absolutely think we can test the 2020 highs as a level of support. But in all honesty, if we don't see a change in inflation, I believe that we're going to be in a prolonged period of extremely high interest rates and extremely high inflation. And if that's the case, I think minimum we test these 2020 lows. So looking at the NASDAQ, at the SPY, and it doesn't matter, the Dow, whatever you're looking at there, if we see a prolonged period, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 years of just stupid policy decisions made that can't bring inflation back under control, and we have 10, 12+% interest rates, I do see 2020 lows as an absolute possibility, if not lower, if things continue to get worse. So these are the levels I'm looking at right now, man. 2020 highs is kind of like our first level if inflation continues to rise. 2020 lows, and you can look at any of the indices that you want. If you like the S&P, if you like the NASDAQ, if you like the Dow, look at those levels. But 2020 highs and 2020 lows are kind of where I have my eyes on a more conservative and then a much more, I guess, pronounced basis when it comes to declines there. Easy Ride! What's a sticker weekend? Easy Ride. A sticker weekend is where I print stickers so that I can send you I think Easy Ride is going to be the first envelope that I mark. Easy Ride really wants these stickers. I think he's going to be the very first envelope that I mark, man. Facts on that. Easy Ride, thank you very much. Adrian, do you think the technical analysis works in general? Yes. Adrian, I absolutely do. Danelle, I love it. I'm going to get you in 2 seconds here. So I do think that technical analysis works in general. If you're just looking at the NASDAQ here, you can see that, look, before we even had this level in, you can put levels of support on the screen, okay? This is definitely support, and a bigger level of support in this area right here. We retested and absolutely bounced back off of it. So this line wasn't because we came in here and put this line on here 2 days ago. This line was from a level of support back here. And I prefer levels of support and resistance in technical analysis. Some guys prefer Fibonacci retracements. Some guys prefer moving average crossovers. Some guys, like to get crazy and mix up 3 or 4 different indicators. So it's all what your preference is and what you like to view and can kind of feel when you view it, and that you're going to get a better feel for it and use more in your own trading and in your own investing. In general, yes, I do believe that it holds up. But I will tell you this, okay? technical analysis can only do so much. There are traders that use it, and that's one of the reasons that it works. If all of a sudden, let's just say Binance, let's say Biden comes out tomorrow, and this is nothing political, it could be whoever's in charge. Let's say Biden comes out tomorrow and says that, well, while you guys were sleeping last night, we dropped a bomb on Russia, and we took out half their country. It literally doesn't even exist anymore. It's been obliterated. The stock market would not care about technical analysis at that point. It would see, boom, a drop to probably 2020 lows or even worse. If we entered out of nowhere a nuclear war, technical analysis is not going to matter. So I love the fact that you said in general, because yes, in general, it does work. But fundamentals, news, something driving the price will always overcome technicals. So I like where you stand with that, man. You are right on that. And now, done now. Thank you very much for the la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek. She's saying PDP, man. You haven't been here in a while, to know. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek. You guys better do it with me on this last time now. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek. Thank you very much, Danelle. Really like that super sticker. Absolutely love it. And yes, if PDP ever comes back, I will definitely be LPDPing. But until then, it is Pika Pika, because Pika's here and Pete is not. Thanks, bro. Absolutely easy route. What's up, bro? Just tuning in. What's your thoughts on Tesla? Uncle T, man, I like Tesla as a company, but Tesla is reaching levels of support. So just be careful if you're thinking about getting into Tesla anytime soon. You may see 200 to 220 on their chart, okay? This area right in here, we talked about this. This is a weekly chart here. We talked about this maybe 2 or 3 days ago, right? I think it was this line right here. And could be a decent time to get in. You know, you've got some support right here, but this is my line here to potentially down in here, depending on how quickly you want to jump. But I will say this, all right? This could be an excellent entry if you don't care that it continues down. This would be an awesome if it bounced off for you, if you're thinking about trading and so on. But I'm not going to lie, dude. This is going to coincide very heavily with the QQQ and the NASDAQ hitting these levels of support right in here, okay? If Tesla continues to come down, we don't need this anymore. If Tesla continues to come down and the NASDAQ continues to come down, NASDAQ could be testing this 270, 260 level. Meanwhile, Tesla is testing this 220 to 210 level. If the NASDAQ breaks, I do think that I think Tesla breaks as well. And the crazy thing is, you know, maybe because 200 is a nice round number, maybe you find support here. If you don't, then we can't find enough support in this area here at $150. You could see a quick run, man. You could see a quick run back to this session if technicals are being followed. You know, it could be you could get a steep discount on Tesla. It ran so fast through 2020, 2021 that we've only got a couple months or a couple weeks here at support, and then the same deal down here. And $98 for Tesla when it's trading at $230 right now would be a wild discount. So if this line doesn't hold up and you buy in, just be committed to wanting to own Tesla and wanting to hold Tesla there. I'm out later, homies. No toasts. Enjoy your evening, man. Adrian! Pig has spoken. We keep him clear for extra overtime. Oh, God. Today or tomorrow. Adrian! Thank you very much for the super chat. Adrian says, are the Fed's interest rates rising working? Okay, inflation is still high, but in theory, interest rates should lower inflation by reducing money expansion. Correct, Adrian. So you've got the theory right there. Raising interest rates doesn't necessarily stop people from borrowing and spending money, but it certainly slows people from borrowing and spending money. So some people that can afford higher interest rates will still go out and borrow and spend. Others won't. So it does slow it down. And that's the entire point. So is it working? Let me say there's going to be two ways that people can answer this. The people that are going to tell you it is working are going to point to a couple things. Number one, inflation was rising at a wild pace. And yes, it has peaked and it has slowed down. So we've watched inflation go from, was it 9.8%? I forget what the actual peak was. And then over a 3-month period, drop back down to 8.5%. So they're going to say that yes, it is working because it has caused a cap for inflation. But, we're only looking at 2-3 months here. If we get back in a week from now and we see that inflation is even at 8.6%, it's still rising. So is it working? Possibly, man. Because if they weren't increasing interest rates, we might be at 12, 13, 15 plus percent inflation right now. We don't know the what ifs or what would have happened if they didn't do this. So it's very difficult to know that, I guess, answer there. But I think that we got to give it a little bit more time to see if it's actually working. Because inflation rising that fast, of course it's going to be volatile as well. Just like any stock would, or just like any crypto would. If it rises very fast, it could fall back down a little bit, and so on. So I say we give it a little bit more time, but yes, it technically should be working right now. I was just asking because I want to buy in big time and hold on to Tesla. Yeah, Uncle T, man, I think Tesla's a great company, right? Elon Musk is obviously a very smart man and is doing very well. I know that a lot of people bought Tesla with stimulus money as well, similar to crypto. So you could absolutely see that decline there. But those are the levels that I'm looking at on Tesla. I don't currently own any Tesla, but those are the levels I'm looking at. So if you don't mind holding it and you're itching to get in, that 210 to 220 level, very solid. If the NASDAQ falls down below that purple line and those blue lines there, I would definitely expect a decline down to 150, 100 on Tesla. But Clay Bro, key psychological levels can act as artificial support even if they've never posted before. Checkers and chess. Dude, facts on that, Frank. And one of the best ways to look at that are, AMC, for example. I know a lot of you guys are very familiar with AMC, okay? AMC never rose above, I believe, $33 or $36 in its history of trading. So the same way you can create levels of support, because $200 is a very nice price point. So, of course, there's going to be buy orders that go in at $200 on Tesla. People created resistance on AMC because they thought it was funny to sell at $69. 69, yes, is a funny number, but comedy like that should never be brought into your investment strategy when you're making massive amounts of money. Now, did they hinder the squeeze? Possibly. Did Adam Aaron hinder the squeeze by going in and issuing an additional 200 million shares? Yes, absolutely. And did they do very well by exiting at that funny 69 number? Phenomenally. So these key psychological and emotional levels that are nice and round, $100, $75, $80, $90, $150, and so on, will always be there that people think they need to take. Watching Terra Luna Classic go up to a penny, gonna be difficult because there's people that try to get out right at 0.099, 0098 to undercut everybody else. What do you mean? Like 5 more inflation reduction packages, print like $4 trillion more, and we are good to go, baby. I hope not, Emma. I hope not. Guys, we don't need any more money printed. We really don't need any more money printed. If you guys want to stress me out, just talk about printing more money. That's an easy way to do it. Time traveling and printing more money would stress me out, yes. But I don't understand how these live streams go so fast. Guys, it is 5:01. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back this evening with videos. Really appreciate every single one of you guys for being in here. And hey, I was on TikTok Live earlier today. Anybody that was in here, Army Vet was in there. Sweden, I don't know if Sweden's in here right now. He was in there. Really appreciate everybody that was hanging out on TikTok Live there and hanging out. But appreciate all you guys who do these shout-outs. And then we will be back with videos this evening. Emma D, enjoy your evening. Frank, man. Abubakar, see ya later. Mo G, One and Only Bronson, King Mamba, Uncle T, Roulette Wheel, King Mamba, Frank, Poingy, Jamwa Winston. Hopefully enjoy your evening, man. Shout out to you. Victor, thank you very much. Adrian, will crypto ever be used as currency globally instead of as a security or store value besides in El Salvador? It seems Satoshi's vision is not real. Let me put it this way. I believe yes, okay? But that is going to be the decision of individuals, okay? If I open up a business right now and I accept Bitcoin, you can pay me in Bitcoin. If I accept Terra Luna Classic, you can pay me in Terra Luna Classic. It doesn't matter. I still got to pay my taxes and do all of that stuff, but it's not like a mainstream adoption yet. I do think we get there. I think we get there, and is it soon? I don't know, okay? There's got to be some sort of a stability to it, because if you're running a corporation, one of the worst things that can work out well or kill you is the fluctuation between foreign exchange. So if I own a business here in the United States and I sell goods and services in I don't know, let's say Brazil, and we're doing business, and all of a sudden the Brazilian real just tanks against the dollar. Every dollar I made over there, or every real I made over there, all of a sudden becomes worth so much less. So when I bring that money back to America, I may have made 50 cents on the dollar because the currency got trashed. Now, if it has the opposite effect, perfect, man. I'm making more money. But it is a risk, and these corporations don't like risks. So until they can stabilize it a little bit, maybe using these stable coins and so on, it may not have mainstream adoption. However, I absolutely think that one day we get there. One of the obstacles we're going to have to get through are all of the digital currencies that the governments make. And when governments begin to post every transaction in a digital currency, and there's no more cash, nothing like the current financial system that you know, I do think that there's going to be a big adoption of cryptocurrency as well. Because at that point, the government's going to have 100% complete control, not only of just your bank accounts, but every transaction you make will be under their thumb. Cryptocurrency will be much more appealing at that point. Moji! One up. One up. Thank you very much, Moji, for the one up, man. Really appreciate that super sticker and the will to go just a little bit longer. King Mamba, Matthew Deneau, Luna Solara, Roulette Wheel, Luna Solara, Moji, Skystonify, King Mamba, Tim, Luna Solara, Uncle T, Ron, all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Rozzy says, nope, not yet. Nope, not yet. Nope, not yet. Rozzy, why not yet, man? Oh my gosh, we thought that we had it, but we didn't have it. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super sticker. Moji says, try again. Try again. Try again. I will absolutely try again, Moji, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. What the heck? What the what heck, man? We're here. We're ready to go. It's all right. Tim says, oh, no. Tim with the unicorn. I got you, Tim. You ready for this? You ready for the unicorn? You ready for the unicorn? Ooh, why does it keep curling on me, man? Oh, yeah. There you go. Look at that horn. Tim, thank you very much for the unicorn, man. Restricted USCM says, not so fast. Not so fast, Clay, bro. You are not leaving just yet. Well, you know what I say? I will leave nice and slow. USCM, nice and slow. Roulette wheel, shout out to you. Poingy, Ron, DD214, Frank, Rozzy, Moji, Poingy, Tim, Moji, restricted, Moji. Rozzy says, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. What are we waiting for, man? What are we waiting for? Oh, I see what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the meow. 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 Thank you very much, Moji, for the super sticker. Thank you very much, Rozzy, for the super sticker as well. Yeah, I guess that we're not leaving today, man. Good news is that tomorrow we won't have to stay overtime if we stay overtime today. Very good. Rozzy, thank you very much, man. Moji, Luna Solara, Emma D. Sorry to stress you out. We just turned in the printers to tune the $15 billion, 2.5 going to the Ukraine proxy war. And oh yeah, OPEC shut down today, but I'm here for the sticker. Yeah, I love printing money, man. I love printing money. Printing money is the worst thing that we can do. Poingy, shout out to you, Restricted. See you later, Moji, Luna Solara. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. You are here. You better stay right here. You are staying right here, Clay, bro. You are staying right here. Tim says, you think you're leaving? Where do you think you're going? You are staying right here. All right, man. We'll stay here. We'll stay here, Tim. What are we going to do? What are we going to do, Tim? We're just going to stay right here? Tim, man, thank you very much. Really appreciate that super sticker, dude. We will stay here. Phil, man, shout out to you. Rozzy, Moji, Luna Solara, Moji, Restricted, Tim. Oh, I thought we were leaving, but Rozzy said, nope. You are not leaving. Can I leave, Rozzy? Nope. You are not leaving. Rozzy, I wanted to. Nope. You cannot leave, Clay, bro. Why, Rozzy? Why? King Mamba, what's your question about fractional shares? Hopefully I can answer it really quick because we are about to leave, and maybe I have to hit it. I thought we were leaving, dude. I thought we were leaving, and then Tim said, you are not leaving. Nope. No, you're not leaving. All right, Tim, we're not leaving just yet. Moji says, what are you going to do about a banana, Clay, bro? I'm going to lick and stick that banana, man. You take that banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Oh, yeah. Moji, thank you very much for the super sticker. Luna Solara says, I thought it was time to work. Luna Solara, thank you very much for the work super sticker. Oh my gosh. Quédate aquí toda la noche. I'm gonna have to be here all night? What? I'll do, bro. With you, man, I'll stay all night long. Rozzy, thank you for the super chat. Rozzy says, Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Yes, Fuzzy Wuzzy was fuzzy because Fuzzy Wuzzy, just because he didn't have any hair, he was still fuzzy because his name was Fuzzy Wuzzy. Bears are fuzzy, man. Bears are fuzzy. What are you gonna do? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was. No, matter of fact, It depends. So if Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, but Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair, Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't Fuzzy Wuzzy, no, it wouldn't have been fuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy wouldn't have been fuzzy because Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. You gotta have hair to be fuzzy, man. You gotta have hair to be fuzzy. If it was just a skin bear, a skin bear would be like one of them cats. Them cats aren't fuzzy. So Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy. Was he? No. King Mamba, are the good or bad when it comes to the stock market? So King Mamba, if they're not bad at all, okay? It's the same thing as owning any full stock. So for example, if you've got $100 portfolio and you can't afford to go out and buy a full share of Tesla, but you want 10% of your portfolio to be in Tesla, well, you can go out and buy $10 worth of Tesla. I don't think it's a bad idea at all. It really helps people who want to have exposure to a company get that exposure without having to, without having to buy a full share. Do I think it's good? I mean, it's good that it provides you access. Do I think it's bad? No. I don't think it's one or the other, man. But I like the idea because it provides everybody access to this stuff. Not good necessarily or bad. It's just, it allows more people to play the game. Pika! Have an awesome day as well, Pika. Thank you very much. And seriously, Pika, enjoy your evening. Thank you very much for being in here. And I don't know how long this overtime's going to go, but it's going to go until it goes. Tim says, meow, meow, meow. Thank you, Tim. That one's for Danelle. I don't know. Danelle probably takes off. Danelle doesn't know anything about overtime. Danelle doesn't know anything about overtime. So Danelle might be gone already. But Danelle, if you're still in here, that little kitty cat was for you. Tim knows you're gone, Danelle. So Tim's definitely sending that for himself. But nonetheless, thank you very much, Tim. Thank you very much, Pika, Razi, Auto Bro, Luna Solara, Moji, Tim, Razi. Shout out to King Mamba, Sean, Emma D, Luna Solara, Kenneth, Tim. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Za 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 ooh za baby raza. Thank you very much for the super chat, Razi. Moji says, spoiler alert, he, spoiler alert, he, spoiler alert, he, Moji. Thank you very much for the spoiler alert. Really appreciate that super sticker. Emma D says, let me see that king monkey. I got you, Emma D. Emma D, thank you very much for the monkeys. I'm completely fine with doing that one. It doesn't even embarrass me at all. The cow, on the other hand, is a little bit embarrassing. Emma D, thank you for the king monkey. Moji, man, with the spoiler alert. Razi, Tim, all of you guys. DD214. Tim says, get back to work. Click. Work is done, Tim. Work is done, man. Thank you very much for the super chat, D. No, Tim. His name is not D. His name is Tim. Luna Solara, shout out to you. King Mamba, Moji, Emma D, Moji, DD214, Razi, Tim, all of you guys. You know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an Willie's really weary. Willie is really weary. Willie's really weary. Why is Willie so real? Why is Willie really weary? Why is Willie really? Why can't I say it now? If you add a Y, that messes you up. Why is Willie really weary? 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 I got it now. Why is Willie really weary? Razi, why is Willie really weary? I need to know why Willie was really weary. You should be proud. It's a convincing monkey. Well, thank you very much, Emma D. I am proud as Razi is to worry about Willie's Willie. I mean, because Willie's really whatever, man. I can't even say it. Razi, thank you very much. Tim says, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. What are we waiting for, Tim? I don't know what we're waiting on, man. But we're waiting for something. Something amazing, I guess. Tim, man, shout out to you, LT Gray, Luna Solara, LT Gray, Luna Solaro. We've got Emma D, Rozzy, Tim, Moji, Diddy214. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, Pika's my little angel. Pika's just a little angel girl, yeah. Pika's my little angel girl, she is. Pika's my little angel girl, yes. Pika, 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 Pika. Meow, meow, moo. Rozzy, thank you for the most embarrassing one there is. Thank you for the super chat. Rozzy, oh, Rozzy was scared by that, or Emoji was scared by that moo. Emoji, me too, man. Me too. Oh, man. Stand alive. Stand alive. Stand alive. Oh, yes. Thank you very much, Outdo Bro, for a little disco bro on that one. We've got the King Disco Bro in the chat right now. Outdo Bro, man, thank you very much. You guys are absolutely wild, dude. I don't know how you come up with this stuff. Moji, see what you did with this crown, Pika? You see what you did with this crown? Everything's crowned now, Pika. That's because of you. Pika Power, shout out to you. Outdo Bro, LT Gray, Tim, DD214, LT Gray. We've got Tim saying, not so fast, Clay Bro. Thank you very much, Tim, for the super sticker. Rozzy says, whoa, like Ric Flair. Is that how he does it, man? I really don't know how Ric Flair does it. Is it like a whoa, like Ric Flair? Is that how he, I don't know if that's how he does it or not, man. I think that's, whoa, whoa. I don't know how Ric Flair woos, but definitely Claybro, whoa, right there. Oh, yeah. Rozzy, man, thank you very much. Tim, dude, really appreciate you. Outdoor Smile, LT Gray, Tim, Pika, Pika, Rozzy, Moji, Emma D, all of you guys, you know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.